Hi guys, welcome to Vlogmas day 6. Oh my goodness, it's the 6th day of Vlogmas and I'm excited. So anyways, I am currently not filming, but I'm doing my makeup because I will be filming a not luxury guide, like a gift guide. So I asked you guys on my Instagram, and if you haven't followed me on my Instagram, like, what are you doing? Like, what are you doing? So make sure to follow me on Instagram. I'm gonna put my name here. I will be doing a 3 sit-down videos, and it's still a part of Vlogmas since I can't promise to vlog every day. And like I said, I do work on a weekday, so I try to film sit-down videos as well, kind of like a part of the Vlogmas, as long as I'm uploading every day for the rest of until the 25th. So I will be filming at least 2 sit-down videos today, and then 2 to 3 sit-downs. I'm gonna try to push myself to film 1 more, so like 3, and then plus this vlog, so it's like 4. So I'll be good for the rest of the week. And also guys, let me know what kind of content you guys want to see during this Vlogmas, because I'm still lacking on my list. I actually have a list here, right here, like I have a book, and I don't know if you guys can see, but I have a list here, like video ideas that I will be doing. And also on the 25th, I think I have something special. If you can watch the whole 25th, I'll be, you know, doing something special for you guys. And while I'm doing my makeup, I want to just show you guys real quick. I've had this for a long time now. I got 2 of these. I think the one is downstairs, but oh my goodness, I'm so freaking dumb. I haven't tried this. But anyways, I ordered this to my friend Cheska. She is from the Philippines. It's like a set of a skincare. So anyways, there's a glutathione soap. I think there's a toner, a sunblock, and a night cream right here. Okay guys, so I just filmed 2 videos and I am so excited because the sit-down Vlogmas video is it's gonna be a part of my Vlogmas anyways. So that's like the gift ideas for her and a gift ideas for him. So you'll see that the gift ideas for her first, and then this vlog, and then the gift ideas for him. So that's gonna be like my lineup for this week or 2. I'm gonna go run some errands real quick. I have to go to Belk because I have to return or exchange the item that my husband ordered because it's wrong size. So I have to go back there and exchange the jacket that he ordered. And also I'm going to Target as well, and then I don't have a list. Target will tell me what I need, okay? Target will tell me what I need. It started raining and I'm on my way to get some food, actually dinner, because it's already 7:17. And you guys, I am looking at the Bath and Body Works line right now, and the line is crazy. I was gonna go there and get more candles because they're doing the annual candle sale, which is only $9.95, I would say, because the original price is almost $25, and they're only doing this once a year. But I'm like debating on going or not because the freaking line is just, I can't wait that long. Plus it's raining, and I don't know, because I already have some candles, so I don't know. I'm debating on going or not. I don't know. Hopefully this will have some stocks, you know. They got a puffer jacket at Target. Wow. as well. And we're back. Okay, I want to show you guys what I got from Michael's. So I went there last week, and if you guys saw my vlog, I told you guys what was my inspo for like Christmas wrapping. And if you haven't watched it, I'll just put like the, you know, my inspo here. So there's this one, so cute. And I got at least, yeah, I got 3 of this one, and they're only like $1.99. And I got this one. I was trying to find more, but they sold out really quick. And I also got these, which is really pretty as well. And I got more. This is like the bigger version, but what I'm gonna do is, since I have so many friends and also family, if this is not enough, I might just go back. Since they only have a couple of these small ones, and I have so many friends and family that I want to give, so I got 2 big ones. So what I'm gonna do is just cut them and kind of like DIY them. So for example, I'll cut this part right here, and then this part. So you guys are gonna see that tomorrow, because I will be slowly wrapping gifts tomorrow, and I'm so excited. And this one as well right here, and I'll just like cut a tiny bit pieces. I know this is like plastic, but I'll just like cut them. So that's really much it. And if I, you know, if this is not enough, I'll just go back to Michael's, or you know, the craft store, and hopefully they have more stuff with these tiny ones, because I prefer these tiny ones than the bigger version, because it's kind of expensive. They're like $14.99. They're very expensive. So but anyways, you know, it's Christmas time, so I don't really mind it. All right, next one, I want to show you guys what I got from Target earlier. Okay, so first things first is this Xoxo. This is like my 3rd purchase. Yes, this is my 3rd purchase, and this is $11 something, $11.99. So this is great if you have like face. You can use this for face, chest, and back. Normally I use this, I have my own downstairs in the basement, and if I like have so much pimples, if it's like that time of the month and I get so many like pimples, I always use this. Like this is like almost like my almost every day now. And I also use this on like my back. If I have like some pimples on my back, it actually helps a lot. I know it's some of people like are sensitive skin, but yes, this has been like helping my back acne for the longest now. So this is like my actual 3rd purchase. And the next one is, okay, so this is another repurchase again, because I am running out on the CeraVe facial moisturizing lotion, and I got the PM1. All right, the next one we got is this clarifying shampoo. This is a deep clean clarifying shampoo from Kristen S. I want to try this clarifying shampoo. So the next one is this native deodorant. I just want to try this because I heard a lot of good stuff about native deodorant, and they're also aluminum free and paraben free, which is you have to look for a deodorant. But yes, I want to try this. I normally use my, what's the name of that one? I'm gonna put the picture here, but yeah, it's still amazing. And I'm also running low because I use deodorant every day. So yeah, I just want to try this for also like a backup as well, if it's, you know, if it's good. All right, so the next one is, I just saw this, Target have a lot of masks, and they also have the one from like kids, and they also have like, you know, for adults. But I love their masks, so this is what I got as well. This is the non-medical, non-surgical, but this is reusable. I have so many reusable masks. I also love the Skims masks. Those were like really good as well. So yeah, more masks. So last but not the least with this haul, when I went to Belk, I saw this pajamas. This is really cute, and it's a green checkered pajamas. It is just so cute. And you know, it's Christmas time and it's also like really cold. It's actually raining outside right now and I'm cold, but yeah, it's this really just cute pajama. It's like green checker. They have the red one, but I don't really like the, I don't know, I'm not feeling the red one, but yeah, the green one is actually pretty cute. It's so long and I think this is like $9.99. So yeah, I just got this as well. So yeah, that's it for this haul, loves. That is it for today's vlogmas. So I will see you guys soon in my next vlog. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Might as well, like I said, sis, you already watched the whole thing, might as well click that button right there. And I will see you guys soon tomorrow. Bye.